So we are given the value of x and we have to get the values of these. Now we'll do one by one. But there is one important thing that we shouldn't plug in the value of x in case of denominator in none of them. So it's very important to remember that. First, we need to replace this. First, we need to rationalize the denominator. Right? So I'm doing the first part. We have x given as, this is x is 9 minus 4 root 5. So we can say 1 over x will be 1 over 9 minus 4 root 5. But we should not place the values of a number with irrational denominator. So we need to rationalize. Our denominator is in the form of a minus b. So we'll be multiplying, dividing by a plus b. This is 9 plus 4 root 5. Now, with further simplification, what do we get here? Numerator 1 multiplied by this number is the number itself. So it'll be numerator we'll get as 9 plus 4 times root 5, and denominator, which is a plus b, a minus b into a plus b, should give you a square minus b square. So it should be 9 square minus 4 root 5 square. So we can say that the numerator is 9 plus 4 root 5. Denominator 9 square is 81 minus 4 square is 16, and 16 into root 5 square is 5. So that is 80. So we got this as 9 plus 4 root 5. Now, once again, we have x given as 9 minus 4 root 5, and we got 1 over x as this. We got this 1 over x as this. That is 9 plus 4 root 5. Now, once we have got x and 1 by x, now you can get the values of x plus 1 by x. So x plus 1 by x. So we can replace x with this. That is 9 minus 4 root 5 and plus 1 by x, which is 9 plus 4 root 5. So you see that this and this get cancelled. So we get 9 plus 9 as 18. This is how we'll get the value of x plus 1 by x. So I'm writing this again. We got the value of the first part. That is, we got the values of x plus 1 by x as 18. Now we can do the remaining parts. We did the first part. And let's see how to do the second part. We did the first part. Now I'm erasing this. Let's see how can we get the value of x, these other parts. So in the next part, that is the second part, we have to get x minus 1 by x. That is for the second part, x minus 1 by x. So x, we have got this. This is minus 9 minus 4 root 5. And then minus 1 by x. So minus of this will give you minus 9 minus 4 root 5. So you can see here that 9 and minus 9 get cancelled. So we'll get the value for the second part as minus 8 root 5. Now coming to the third part, if we do the third part, it is x square plus 1 by x square. So we'll not be placing the value of x and 1 by x. We'll be first applying the identity x plus 1 by x whole square, which is equal to a square, that is x square, plus b square, that is 1 by x square, plus 2 times x multiplied by 1 by x. Now we have to get the value of this. This is what we have to get. So we'll replace the other values. First of all, we can cancel this x. We know the value of x plus 1 by x as 18. So we can write 18 over here. So it is 18 square. And we have to get the value of this. So we'll keep this as it is, x square plus 1 by x square. Now further it is plus 2, which I can transpose on the other side. So finally, this is 18 square is, we'll find first 18 square and subtract 2 from it. So we know that 18 square is 324. So this is 324 minus 2. That should give you the value of x square plus 1 by x square. And 324 minus 2 is 322. Now we got x square plus 1 by x square. Now similarly, we can do the other parts. Let me do say one more. If I do this one. So I'm doing the 8th part now. Again, here also we will not be replacing x with this or 1 by x with this. Reason being, it is under root. So we will be finding the square of this. We have to get the value of this, but instead of this value, we will find the square of this. Let's see what happens. It is a minus b whole square. So a square, that is under root x square, which is x, plus b square, which is b square is square of 1 by under root x, which is 1 by x, and minus 2 times a, which is x, and b is 1 by root x. Here also these get cancelled. Since we know the value of this, we can replace this whole thing with 18 minus 2. So it is 18 minus 2 is 16. Now what you need to keep in mind that we have to get the value of x minus under root x minus 1 by root x, not its square. So if I transpose square on the other side, it will become plus minus under root 16. So plus minus 4 will be the answer for this one. Same way you can do the other parts. Are it clear?